Hey everybody, I'm Brandon with Big Beast Plumbing. We're out here today with Community Mission of Hope, the local food pantry. And I'm here with Megan, and she's going to tell you a little bit about the situation that's going on and the need that they have.
Yes, thank you so much. We are the Community Mission of Hope here in Temecula, and we are a rescue mission. We've been actually here since 2009. We started in the last Great Recession as a response to the need of the community, and we're here again responding to the needs of the community. We already have clients that we serve on a weekly basis who are either out of work or on disability and just need food, just basic human rights. And so we've seen an increase definitely with what's going on in our valley and just with those out of work. And so it's been amazing because our food drives typically come from schools, churches, businesses that are open and can have food drives. And so those basically came to a halt. The first week, grocery stores weren't really able to donate because there wasn't anything left for them to donate. But our community has rallied. They've gotten creative. We've had, this place was run by retired seniors and by adults with special needs. Those two communities are two of the most susceptible to this virus. And so we lost all of our volunteers almost immediately. But this community has stepped up. We've seen people come in that we don't even know, and they're signing up on our website. Our valley is showing up to volunteer, and we have seen the need increase. We have more and more people coming every day to need food, and I suspect that that'll only increase as we go into May, but so does the help. And so we're so excited. We just want to say thank you to everyone, and especially Big B Plumbing, just all of our community who has just come in and just shown up and rallied to help support us.
So Megan, for anybody who's trying to help, how can they do that?
Yes, thank you. Great question. You can go to cmoh.net, and there's a place where you can volunteer. You can sign up for a day and a time that you can come out if you're healthy and if you're able. We are keeping social distancing. We have gloves and masks and doing everything we can to keep you and our community safe. And you can also donate. There's a donate button at cmoh.net as well, and you can spread the word. Let people know we're here, and just invite others to join along and to help.
So go to their website if you want to figure out how to donate or volunteer. You can also find them through our website. There's a link on there, bigbplumbing.com. On top of that, we're actually offering to go out and pick up food. If you want to donate and you don't want to leave your house and you don't want to put yourself at risk, we have people out in the community that will come by and pick that up for you. So just let us know if we can help, and we're looking forward to the community pitching in to make sure that everybody has food to eat. Thank you guys so much.
Yes, thank you.